Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're going to be talking about the original QKZ AK6 copper driver HiFi wired earphone race sport headphone based stereo headset music earbuds. This is a game changer for anyone who loves their music and wants to experience it in the best way possible. First off, let's talk about the features of these earphones. The QKZ AK6 is an in-ear headphone with a 3.5mm plug, giving you a high-quality wired connection for crystal clear sound. With its built-in microphone, you can also take calls on the go without missing a beat. The dynamic circle sound principle ensures a wide frequency response range of 2,020,000 Hz, giving you an immersive audio experience like never before. Not only that, but these earphones are designed for comfort and durability. The earmuffs are made of high-quality PC material, and the headphone cable is made of TPE, ensuring flexibility and long-lasting use. The 1.2 meters wire length gives you the freedom to move around without feeling restricted, making these earphones perfect for sports and on-the-go use. But the real magic happens when you plug these earphones in. The 10mm horn diameter delivers powerful bass and clear, defined audio that will transport you into your music. The 32 impedance and 108 decibels sensitivity ensure that these earphones can handle any genre of music with ease, while the low 1 distortion rate guarantees that you'll experience your music exactly as it was meant to be heard. So, why should you consider getting the QKZ AK6? Well, if you're someone who values high-quality audio and wants a pair of earphones that can keep up with your on-the-go lifestyle, then this is the perfect choice for you. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or simply relaxing at home, these earphones will elevate your music experience to a whole new level. If you're ready to take your music game to the next level, then make sure to check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the original QKZ AK6 copper driver HiFi wired earphones. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.